where the earth is dry and the rocks shine bright, pink and white in the morning light. No shifting sand, just solid stone, and a piece of land I call my own.
Vandag verwelkom ek jou in die Boesmanland, waar die wind nie net die stof optel nie, maar soms sommer ook jou hoed saamvat.
Won't hear much, just your heartbeat loud underneath the starlit shroud. Out in Bushman land where the silence sings and the night sky spreads its diamond wings, I walk this land.
Hier strek 'n plaas van 6000 hektaar, ideaal vir dorper, meatmaster en bokboerdery, en vir die mense wat regtig klaar is met hul bure. Die plaas word bestuur op 'n 4-kampstelsel en beskik oor 4 boorgate, 19 kampe en 4 krale. Die krale is so goed geleë dat selfs die skape hulle pad daarheen vind.
Every stone and every dew, the goats move slow, the days move fast, but this kind of beauty was built to last. The sun sets fire to the western sky.
Al is die water effens brak, is dit heeltemal geskik as drinkwater. Tans is 4 boorgate en 2 putte in gebruik. Daar is ook verskeie ander boorgate op die plaas wat nie tans gebruik word nie.
And the night sky spreads its diamond wings. I walk this land with weathered hands, born to work these cord-strung strands. I don't need gold, I don't need praise, just the peace I find in these quiet days. Some chase fortunes far away.
Die plaas bied egte Boesmanlandveld met 'n ryk verskeidenheid bossoorte. Ganna en Karoo bos in die harde veld en in die droë lope die groter struike soos kriedoring. Die 1 slaapkamer plaashuis is ideaal vir 'n naweek wegbreek of 'n gemaklike oornagplek. Soek jy spasie, soek jy stilte, dan wag hierdie plaas vir jou.
Hope grows deep in a farmer's mind. Out in Bushman land where the silence sings and the night sky spreads its diamond wings, I walk this land with weathered hands, born to work these cord-strewn strands. I don't need gold, I don't need praise, just the peace I find in these quiet days.